Within the two, Bonnie and Clyde, the money and who? Bad news, bad for you, but I'm back at the coffee bean, anything in between.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this super easy, really natural and like fresh makeup, and it takes me about like 10 minutes, so it's perfect for if you're on the if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Spotlight in the shade 30. And I'm going to focus this more on the center of the face. This gives you a glow, and it also softens and blurs out your skin. So for my base, I'm going to mix the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Tint in the shade 04 and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 6. Just on the back of my hand. I'm just going to mix it with my finger. Okay. And I'm breaking out a little bit, so I'm going to try and cover these spots up. I'm going to first spread this out with the It Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to kind of take whatever is left on the back of my hand and just blend it in. Next, I'm going to cover up these dark circles and a little bit of these spots. I'm just going to mix this on there. This kind of makes it a little darker too. I'm going to take the Juno sponge, and I like to take my concealer all the way in, down, and kind of angle it towards my temple like that. So just use the concealer wherever you need it, like under your eyes if you have any spots to cover. Now I'm going to use Mercier to set my face. I'm going to make sure I get all those creases out and then go in and set that under eye. I don't powder my whole face. I just do kind of like the center of the face. That's it. Bronzer, the Omega bronzer, the Tantastic one, shade 104. And it's huge, like it's literally the size of my face. I don't think I'll ever run out of it. So I put that under my cheekbones. I kind of contour and bronze with it. Get my double chin. And my neck is always way wider. I don't know why. So I kind of try to do this so I don't look like I got 3 shades on me. And then my forehead. And then a new thing I've been liking to do is kind of taking it over the nose. I also take it and kind of like pinch those and take the bronzer into my temples. So just start right here and then kind of swoop it out to your temples. So for the nose, I'm going to use the same bronzer. I like to go under the nose. Just do the sides a little bit, just to bring back dimension into my face. I'm just going to take the Kevyn Aucoin blush and kind of do the same thing as my bronzer. So I put it on my cheeks and then I take it on my nose. So for highlighter, I'm going to take the ABH highlighter that they did with Amrezy. I don't think it has the actual name. I think it's just, it looks like this. And just put it on my cheeks, cheekbones. Then down my nose, just a little bit on my cupid's bow, my chin. Oh, a little bit too much on my chin. Do I need more bronzer? Okay, ladies. Okay, ladies. So for my eyebrows, I'm taking the ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. I fill in just a little bit right here in the beginning, and then I kind of like to see where I need to fill. So in order for me to get a better view of that, I kind of just brush everything down, and then I kind of feel like that, and then I brush them back up. See? No difference. And now to set my brows, I am going to use soap, and this is just a L'Occitane soap. I spray like a little bit on there, and I kind of do that, and then I just brush my brows with this, and this holds it better than any other brow gel. You just kind of brush it through your brows, and it also makes them more like fluffy. Use the Lancome Hypnose mascara. So I first curl them, and I like pump it up just a little bit, and then I go in with the mascara. When I do my mascara, I like to like bring the sides more, like I pull them more this way rather than just up. That's just the way I like to do mine. A little bit of lip balm on there, so I'm just kind of... This NYX lip pencil, the Suede in the shade Kitten Heels, and I'll just kind of roughly line my lips with it, and I blend it in a little bit. Using the Too Faced Lip Injections Juicy Color Plumping Lip Gloss in Babe Alert. And if I want them to look even more juicy, it's not that expensive, it's like $1 or $2. It's the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss, and the shade is 06 Bright On. When you put it on, especially just in the center, and blend it in, it gives such a nice look. So that's it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more.
Get the attitude, Bonnie and Clyde, the money and who? That dude, bad for you, but I'm back at the coffee bean, anything in between.
Hey guys, welcome back. No, Giorgio Armani Luminous. So today I did this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got itchy nose. First of all, I did this. Fuck you. And I think that's all I'm gonna keep on saying, because I keep fucking it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up.